Alright, the Smiley Face counting series. Here's what you do. You go through all of them consecutively. Even though I know you're thinking counting, and then addition, and then all the subtraction books, and then all of the multiplication books, and then all of the division books. You can do all of them because they're all just counting. And these are designed for the 6 and under crowd, or 5 and under crowd. Right? Then the only thing they have to be able to do is make a mark on the right one. Now, if they can make a smiley face, great. Right? But if they can just make a check mark or make a dot on it, that's great too, right? So which one gets the smiley face? That one gets the smiley face. And you go through and you're just counting and fooling around. But look, pretty soon we're counting hundreds. And we're counting, right? And then we can do, by the time we get to the end of it, we're counting lots of different things, right? Making groups and figuring out, right? But lots and lots of pictures. The ability to make symbols is not required, right? And you can start off, like they do a couple of addition books, they do a couple of counting, but you don't have to start off in counting if you don't want to. You could start off in addition or subtraction, or maybe they like orange or red, so they go to the red books and they start with the red books instead, right? You can start multiplication. I know it's sacrilege, but still, what are you doing? You're counting. So which one will get the smiley face? Well, let's see. This one is over 2, up 3. That one gets the smiley face. Right? And then they get to do their own. So all it is count. You can start wherever you want. Now, I know some people that say, okay, we'll do all the counting books first and then do the other ones, but it doesn't matter, right? Do a few of each book. It does not matter. Get used to the pieces, play with them, and your 3, 4, 5, 6-year-old kid, you'll be astounded at the kind of math that they can be doing by the time they're 6. Right? You just go through the books one at a time. Also, another way to make these books last longer is if you get a clear sheet and a wet erase marker, and you go through and make a clear sheet and just put the clear sheet in there, and then they draw on the wet erase or use the wet erase marker to give their answer, and that way they don't mark up the book. And if you have multiple kids, you don't have to buy multiple sets of books. And you know, you could see that, you know, books are gonna, as best as you can, take care of them. They're still, these were designed as, you know, pretty much as throwaways. But look, I mean, like, you know, so that you go through. But the price now has gone up due to some circumstances beyond my control. But look at the kind of problems they're designed to do. But it's easily, by the time they're 6, they understand how to do this. Look at that. So 159 divided by 12 with the remainder even. Right? Which one? Well, actually, is that right? Yes, it is. That's the one. That one gets the smiley face. So, and then the only difference is what you're counting there. Right? So, anyhow, over here, we have some, you know, bigger problems where they have to pick which one, right? You got 2 options, so on. But I mean, look at the kind of math that they can be doing. And they're going to baby step their way there. The books are non-threatening. You know, how long it takes you is how long it takes you to finish a book. This is Division Book 10. But look at Division Book 1 where we start off, right? We're just counting across and up, right? And then we just get bigger and bigger and bigger in 10 little baby steps. And the books are not threatening. It's not like you give them this whole pack, right? This, you know, right? I see these big textbooks and the kids are like, they get a textbook and it's, right? This is non-threatening because it's just one thin little book. Now, these are designed for the 500. These are not designed for 12-year-old kids. They're designed for little kids, right? We have other books there that you can, right? But adults, you might go through these just to get the idea of where we're going. If you're a teacher, if you're teaching preschool or kindergarten. Okay, this is a pack of Smiley Face books. This is what we mean when we say the Smiley Face series. There are 5 strands again, right? Counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You get all of these in a Smiley Face counting series, or you can order like individual strands by themselves, but get them all and then just buy them in a pack. Alright, there is Smiley Face counting series.